Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoovermaster. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. So we are here today with the third and final for this little mini series on the Hoovermaster unboxings. This is box number 3, and again, I can't remember what is in there. I think I know, but I'm not 100% sure. So we will find out once we open the box. So I have got my trusty shears, and let's do an unboxing of something which is old. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh wow, we have some treats. I need to put this to one side. Ugh. Right, let's undo this. Little bit of tape. Put the box like so. Okay, first off, we have, oh my god, a set of, hang on, we're knotted up, a set of the Hoover cleaner tools for the model 119. Wow, now I have a model 119 and it is up in the Hoover room. So this is a set of tools for it. Wow. I'll move you guys closer in a minute and we will take a look at these tools. In its original box. That is fantastic. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so that is that. Ah, right, okay, I know what this is now. So, we have a couple of hoses. And this one's got... Ah, I know what this is for. I think I know what it's for. I think. Let's pop that to there. And we have this, so I know what this is for. Wow, amazing. This is going to be for the VAX 2000. So I finally have a hose for the VAX 2000 so I can do some videos on it. I think it is anyway. Or maybe it's for this. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. We have got a flow head. We have got a wand. And we've got another floor head. And finally, we have this amazing, move the box, we have this amazing Electrolux 347. Wow. That is so cool. Okay, I think it's time to get you guys up and over on the counter and we'll take a look at this. Okay, we'll take a look at the Electrolux 1347 first. So here is the post motor filter, which has got some carbon dust on it, and that is the blowing port. Pop that back on. Like so. This is the, oh there we go, so that comes off. Inside then we have the bag, so there's a little bit of muck in it but not too much. Let's just take this out. It's very clean on the inside. There is a sponge at the back, but that is completely deteriorated, unfortunately. That's such a shame, but not a problem. I won't be able to use that. Let me just vacuum out this little bit. Okay, so there is a seal on the top, but the seal has perished. But that's not a problem because I have spare seals, so I'm going to put a new seal on that. Let me just pop this bag back in and slide it into place. Let's put the lid back on it. 2 wheels, so we have the plate here. So this is the model Z347, product number 9006654, 770 watts, Lux product, made in the UK. That is going to clean up no problem. Swivel caster at the front, 2 wheels at the back. If we move around to the back, here we have the cord rewind, which still is in excellent condition. So let's plug this bad boy in and let's switch it on. Oh, no, wrong side. Oh wow, the motor is very, very sweet on it. Very sweet indeed. This is the hose. So we'll plug that in. So there's a bag fill indicator here which is working. Although maybe a little bit stiff, but it still works. Let me get a spare hose. See if my pneumatic one fits. And it does. So I got the pneumatic hose here connected onto it. Let's see if it'll spin the turbo brush. Not very well. But enough for it to turn. Let's just try one of these floor heads on it. Fantastic. That works pretty well. Let's put down a little bit of Game S. There we go. And let's vacuum up the mess. And the pneumatic tools fit on there, so if a vacuum is cleaning itself, does that make it a cannibal? Who knows? Right. Let's unplug it. Cord rewind in. Absolutely amazing. I'm so chuffed with that. So that's another video going to be coming up. Let's move these to one side and take that off, put that on, put this to one side, and let's take a look at these Hoover tools. Wow. Manufactured by Hoover Limited, Perivale, Greenford, Middlesex, England. By appointment, manufacturers of electric suction sweepers to Prince George V. So this is post-war, but not long after. To Queen Mary. So it's got Queen Mary and King George on there. So they were still alive, possibly, when this came out. So it's a very early one. What do we have inside the box? We've got a crevice tool, a dusting brush, a floor dusting brush made of wood and metal. Lots of ingrained dirt in there, but that will come up nice. We got the converter attachment. So this goes on to the machine, like so. And then you have your hand tools, like so. And then you can do your dusting of your post-war house. That is amazing, absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Hoovermaster. These will get cleaned up and polished and made to look like new again. I'm not exactly sure how this goes in completely. Hang on a sec, let's get them all in flat. There we go. And now inside the box with the cloth handle. Fantastic. That is such a little piece of history. Absolutely love them. So we will see these being used at some point. That looks like it comes off this. But it's got the pip fittings on it, so I'm sure that is an Electrolux one, but unfortunately there's only one part, so it doesn't matter, because like I said, the pneumatic hose fits on it. So when I'm doing the video, I will use the pneumatic hose. I don't think this is an original floor head for it, because there was two of them sent to me by Hoovermaster, one with a metal floor head, which is severely rotten, and then one with a plastic head. But they do look pretty much identical. So maybe they are both Electrolux. I don't know. It doesn't say on there. Anyway, I'll keep these to one side. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. And you will see these refurbs and demos come up in a future video. And yeah, thank you very much. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye, y'all.